the deepest tone, and the most power we've tested on the 2.3 liter Bronco. Check out the MagnaFlow Axleback exhaust. Here we have the MagnaFlow Axleback exhaust fitting your 2.3 liter EcoBoost 2021 Plus Bronco. If you're looking to completely change up the rear end, not only in appearance, but also performance as well as sound on your Bronco, this is the way to go. Has a beautiful matte black powder coated finish. The piping is 2.5-inch mandrel bent into the muffler and out, and then 4-inch dual rolled tips. Underneath that powder coat is T409 stainless steel, so between the powder coat and the stainless steel, you know that this is going to last the test of time, whether you drive it on the street or off-road. With that said, absolutely love the way this Axleback looks, but I'm really excited to see how it sounds on the Bronco. When it comes to sound, you can expect that signature MagnaFlow growl. It won't be too aggressive, especially because it is just an Axleback exhaust, but as always with MagnaFlow products, you can expect that signature MagnaFlow sound. It's going to be nice and deep, and only being an Axleback, it's not going to be overly aggressive or overly loud. And in terms of interior noise, there won't be much drone either. MagnaFlow did their job when it came to designing a muffler that does tune out the majority, if not all, of the drone you experience when you're adding an aftermarket exhaust kit on your Bronco. Again, installation is purely bolt-on. You will not need to pull out the Sawzall for this installation. But speaking of, let's get it rolling with the install. To kick things off, let's start with some factory dyno pulls. There is 93 octane in the Bronco, and we were unable to get a solid RPM reading, which means we could not get torque. But horsepower we were able to get in 5th gear. Given the speed limit on the Bronco, we're looking at 237.91 horsepower. Here are the tools required for installation of your MagnaFlow exhaust. You don't have to, but we did lift the vehicle up to get a better view for installation. You should be able to install this just lying on the ground underneath your Bronco. Grab some soapy water and spray into the exhaust hanger so it's easy to pull the muffler out of the isolator. Grab a 15mm socket and loosen the clamp to the muffler. Grab a pry bar or an exhaust hanger removal tool and get the hanger out of the isolator. This goes for both hangers. Hold the exhaust up with your other hand, and now that the muffler is removed from both isolators, you can begin to remove it from the factory exhaust. Now that you have your factory Axleback removed, you can grab your new MagnaFlow Axleback to put it up into place. It wouldn't hurt to spray a little bit more soapy water in those isolators, and you can slide the hanger into your first isolator. Once you have the first hanger into the driver's side isolator, you want to slide the inlet into your existing exhaust, and then you can move on to the other isolator and get that hanger into place. Once you're happy with the placement of everything, you can tighten down your exhaust clamp. Once the exhaust clamp is tightened, make sure you're happy with the placement of everything and your installation's complete. 12 horsepower from the MagnaFlow axleback exhaust. MagnaFlow specially tuned this axleback for the 2.3 liter, so if you have a 2.7 liter EcoBoost Bronco, you will need to pick up a different part number. But with that, you get a specially tuned exhaust for the 2.3, you get the additional power that comes out of it, and honestly, the deepest sound we've heard on this Bronco with the 2.3 liter EcoBoost. Installation really was super easy. You really do hit the trifecta with the MagnaFlow axleback between power, sound, and ease of installation. Hit us up right here at Steeda.com for all your Bronco part and accessory needs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can hear more Bronco exhaust videos as well as anything else Bronco right here on the YouTube channel. Comment below, let us know what you think of how this MagnaFlow exhaust sounds on this 2.3 liter Bronco. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.